Hello from Finland. I found another abandoned house. This is pretty wrecked, and we have some cars in here. They're pretty new, but still abandoned. And I noticed that I have a very old car there. Let me show you soon. I found some friends here that you might like. Reindeers. Let's catch them. Whoa. Don't go away, friends. Don't go. I just want to be played. No. They don't want to be friends. They're pretty dangerous when they run out to the road. Oh, okay. So this is the nice car. They're very old. And we have some I don't know what this was used, but as you can see, it's very wrecked. And that bell sound, of course, comes from these reindeers that keep running on the road. They are dangerous. They're beautiful animals, but they aren't very bright. Has collapsed. Well, they're in the something red. Perhaps it's a car. There's a trail here. Usually when there are trails, those are animal trails. Oh, these are front parts of the trucks. And they have been just dumped here. Well, it's much cheaper to leave it here than they get from the garbage place. I don't know the name. Yes, I forgot to say that I am in Finland. North Finland this time, very north in Lapland. And I keep finding these houses just by accident, which is fun. And there is the main house. It doesn't look very safe to go in. But of course I have to go in. I don't know why, but I do. Oh, there's an old truck. Not tractor, I don't know how to say it. Fordson Super Major. Yes, this must be recent. Soon I tried that. It might be locked. Oh, darn. So we can't get in. The paint has peeled off from this upside of the car. I guess it's a place to sleep or something. I don't know. Yes, it's a place to sleep. You can put some bed up there when other one is driving. Ah, that's pretty handy. What is this? I know this is a lot of trash, but it's still abandoned. I think this used to be a truck because there's a tire place. Not whole truck, but you know, the back part. And here's another tractor part. I was wondering, in Finland it's okay if I go to another one's land and examine it if it's abandoned and he doesn't care anymore. But in the United States, what happened to you if you go to another one's land without permission and examine stuff? Because urban exploration is pretty, it's popular in there more than Finland. So I don't know. You have a lot of guns. In Finland we have a lot of guns, mainly shotguns, because we hunt in every household. Not every, but very much. I just checked the lock. We don't break in. You guys remember. Rotten stairs. Yes, it's locked. But the window is open. You know, basically I could get in. But that's very difficult. And before that, I take the keys off my bike, just in case. I make sure that it doesn't leave the light on, so I can leave here. We don't have that much thieves in Finland, but you never know. I forgot that stair every time. Okay, that's a pretty small place, and I have tight pants. But I try. Don't collapse. I wonder if the people who drive by won't see me crawling here. What the is he doing? This might look funny. I got him. Some bike parts. And the bucks go ears. Jeez. Is this even worth this? Huh. Radios on.
Kreikalta odotetaan yksityiskohtia uudistuksista, joita se lupaa heidän saadakseen lisää lainaa. Kuntoilu olisi terveyden kannalta tärkeämpää kuin painonpudotus, muistuttavat tutkijat. Sää pontaantuu vähitellen viikonloppuna. Lähetyksen toimittajana Markku Lehtimäki, hyvää torstain alkuiltaa. Microsoftin matkapuhelinten koko tutkimus- ja tuotekehitys pysyy jatkossakin Suomessa, kerrotaan Ylelle. Pääsyy rajuihin ilmoittaa karsimatpuhelinmalleja. Uutta isoa datakeskusta Microsoft ei ole Suomeen rakentamassa, mutta nykyistä aiotaan laajentaa tarpeen mukaan lisää. Niina Panksa.
Microsoftilta kerrotaan Ylelle, että Suomi pysyy mobiilituotekehityksen keskuksena, vaikkakin selvästi aiempaa pienempänä. Jätti-irtisanomisiin jouduttiin älypuhelinten heikon menetyn takia. Microsoftin Windows-puhelinten markkinaosuus maailmassa on noin 2,5%. Yhtiö on päättänyt karsia puhelinmallin määrää.
This is like in a freaking silence of the lambs ending. Magazines. Yes, and every place have to have a soul. Now we have to check upstairs. But the radio's on. What the hell? Battle corks. Lot of vodka and Bacardi. Strong wines. What is this? Should I leave the radio on or? A lot of food, juice cans and soup cans and glasses.
Työministeri Jari Lindström arvioi, että Microsoftilta irtisanottavien auttamisen kustannukset jopa 10 miljoonia euroja. Hallitus lupasi eilen, että syksyn lisäbudjetissa lisätään työllisyysrahoja Microsoftilta uudelleen työllisyyden tukemiseksi. Myös Microsoft kantaa yhteiskunnan vastuuta lakisääteisiin vähimmäisvaltuuksia.
And the upstairs is covered with sheets. Oh fuck, oh fuck, oh fuck, oh fuck. There's a car. I've been noticed maybe. Be a random car, please be a random car. Don't be an owner. I don't need this shit. Please be a random car. Fuck. Oh fuck. Leave. This is nerve-wracking. Fuck, it's coming here. Ah fuck. Ah fuck, I'm fucked. I left the camera on, but I tried to talk my way out of this. These kind of situations are annoying. Okay, I tried to talk him. Päivä!
Mitä etsit?
Ihan kuvailen. Häirittäänkö? Satuta itteni vielä tässä. Mie tuun pois tästä ihan kohta. Joo. Right. Okay. That kind of situation. I just explained that I leave soon, and that this wasn't his house, but this is abandoned kinda, because he couldn't live here anymore. So he wasn't mad or anything, but just wondering if I take something, but I don't. And he believed it. But still, I tried to. Upstairs, a lot of magazines. I just check if the man is still there. A lot of excitement in this house. So this is. Whoa! A lot of magazines. Lot of boots. More magazines. The daily papers. Well, that's about it. Freaking look like a murder house. Okay. Now I have to leave. I tried to leave. Yeah, might have to jump. Bug's going to my throat. Okay. Okay, that was about that house. That was enough for me. Too much excitement for me. But I don't think I did anything wrong. That was abandoned house. It was total dump, and it was rotten. Nobody goes there ever, at least I think so. And those stuff inside, nobody uses them. This is abandoned. I don't see anything wrong with it, because I don't break anything, I don't take anything. I just take photographs. So that's about these kind of happenings this time. So please subscribe and thumb up as always. And if you can, if you want, if you have friends that like this kind of stuff, please share this video in Facebook or any other ways. Okay, bye.